Okay, heading into chapter 10, we're going to talk about the mean, median, mode, and range, which we practiced in class on Thursday, but I definitely want you to practice so coming out of the weekend, y'all know what to do. So let's jump right in. I'm going to do three, and then I'm going to let you do three and see how you get, okay? All right, so taking a look at this, here's my data set. Remember, the very first thing that I want to do is put my numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to write on this piece of paper just so I have some room. I have 2, 2, and 2. And I have a 3, a 5, a 6, a 7, and 2 nines. 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Always want to double check and make sure that you have all your numbers. Okay? So here's my data set. I need to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. So I'm going to tackle the ones that are pretty quick first. Remember, my range is my biggest number minus my smallest number. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So my range is 7. My mode, what number do I see the most? I have 1, 2, 3 twos. 1, 2, 3. My median is what's in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So halfway would be here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side, 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. 5 is in the middle. Now, my mean takes a little bit of work. Remember, I have to add all these numbers together. So let's do that. I have 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 6 is 20, plus 7 is 27, plus 9 is 36, plus 9 is 45. So I have a total. Remember, I need to take that total and then divide it by how many numbers I added together. So 45 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 5. Not too bad, right? Okay, so let's take a look at number 2. I'm going to turn the paper, okay? So number 2, let me do my data set again in order from least to greatest every single time. That's where I start. So I have 3 threes, 3, 3, 3, a 4, and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my data set. Mean, median, mode, and range. Alright, let's knock out the easy ones first. My range. Biggest number minus the smallest number. 7 minus 3 is 4. My mode. What do I see the most? My 3s. I got it 3 times. Median. What is in the middle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's my middle. I got 2 over here and 2 over there. So 3 is my median. And remember, median, I got to add them all up. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. Plus 4 is 13. Plus 7 is 20. I want to divide that total by however many numbers I added up. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. These answers should always fall somewhere in between your smallest number and biggest number. If they don't, then you definitely want to double check and see if you did everything correctly. All right. One more for me. Number 3. So first thing, I want to put my numbers in order from least to greatest. I have a 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 fours, 3 fours. I apologize. 2, 3, a 6, and a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So mean, median, mode, and range. My range, biggest number minus the smallest number. 9 minus 3 is 6, right? Mode, where do I see the most? I have 3 fours. My median, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this time I have an even data set. And if you remember from your notes, if I have an even data set, I take the two numbers that are in the middle. I'm going to add those numbers together and divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So my median is 4. Now this time both of the numbers were the same, but sometimes they're going to be different. So you always want to go through the process. Add those two numbers that are in the middle together and divide by 2. All right, let's get our mean done. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 6 is 21, plus 9 is 30. 30 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. So my mean is 5. Okay? All right, so I did those 3 with you. Rewind the video if you need to, and then I'm going to have you give these 3 a try. 6, 7, and 8. Go ahead and pause your video, and then I'll come right back with those answers for you. No, really, pause the video. All right, let's take a look and see how you did. For number 6, we'll just go ahead and jump right in. That was your data set. We found our range, biggest number, take away the smallest. Our mode, this time we had 2 numbers that appeared more than once, but they were the same amount of times. Both of those were 2 times, so our mode was 2 and 7. Our median and our mean. Our total was 28. 28 divided by 7 was 4. Number 7, we had the range. 8 take away 2 is 6. The mode, 8 happened 3 times. The median, we had an odd set, so we were okay right there in the middle. Our mean, total those up is 42. We had 7 numbers. Divided by 7 is 6. And then number 8. Odd data set again. So our median, our mode was 7 because it happened twice. Range, 7 take away 2 is 5. And then our mean, we totaled them up, got 25. We had 5 numbers. Divided by 5 is 5. So our mean was 5. All right, log into your book. Do some extra practice. Again, that is Chapter 10, Lessons 1 through 3.